In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive group in just about 5 minutes. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, sharing files and collaborating efficiently is critical in our digital age. Microsoft OneDrive provides an excellent platform for this, and setting up a group can significantly enhance your collaborative efforts. First things first, head over to Microsoft's official website. You can find the link in the description below. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will bring you to the sign in page, a necessary step to access your OneDrive account. If you haven't signed in already, you'll need to enter your email address here. Make sure to input the email associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll then be asked to input your password. It's essential to ensure that your password is kept safe and secure while accessing your Microsoft account. With the correct password entered, clicking Next will move you along in the process. The system might ask for your confirmation to stay signed in. If you're using a personal and secure computer, clicking Yes can streamline your future logins. However, if you're on a shared or public device, it might be safer to skip this step. Once you're successfully signed in, navigate to the All Microsoft section. This area houses all the services and software offered by Microsoft, including OneDrive. Find the OneDrive option and click on it, which will direct you to the OneDrive sign-in page. Sign in to OneDrive if prompted, using your Microsoft account details. Now you're ready to start the process of creating a group. On the OneDrive homepage, look for the Add New option. This button is your gateway to creating new files, folders, and, most crucially for us, new groups. Select Folder from the drop-down menu. This is going to be the repository for all the files your group will work on. You can name this folder anything you like. For clarity, it's best to choose a name that represents the purpose of the group. After naming your folder, click on Create. This action generates your new folder, serving as the backbone of your OneDrive group. You'll see your newly created folder appearing among your files. Click on it to open. With the folder opened, navigate to the My Files option. This area is where all your documents and folders are stored. Since you've already opened your group folder, you're in the right place. This step is more about familiarization with navigating OneDrive. Now, for the crucial part of adding members to your group, click on the name of your group folder. Once inside, you'll see an option to type in a highlight or note. This feature can be used for leaving instructions or important information for your group members. However, our focus is adding members, so look for the option to share or invite members. Here's where you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to add to your OneDrive group. Enter the emails of all individuals you wish to collaborate with. Once you've entered everyone's email, click Send. This action will send an invitation to each individual, granting them access to the folder and by extension your OneDrive group. And just like that, you've successfully created a OneDrive group. This group can serve multiple purposes, from sharing crucial work documents to collaborating on a group project, or even just sharing photos and videos amongst friends and family. Remember, the key to a productive OneDrive group lies in active participation and clear communication. Make sure to let your group members know about the group's purpose and encourage them to upload and share relevant files. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Hopefully, you now feel confident in creating and managing a OneDrive group. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides. Happy collaborating!